Hello and welcome everybody to another update video on this channel about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and today also XRP for you, because I saw in the comment section in yesterday's video that you are wishing for an XRP analysis. So of course today I will deliver on that. I will show you all my price targets and expectations, and I also opened an XRP trade right before this video. So I will tell you all the details about it, and if you don't want to miss out on that in the future, don't forget to leave a subscription down below this video and activate the small little bell so you will never miss out in the future again. Thanks a lot for watching and enjoy this video. And we're starting here today straight on Ethereum 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, we are still in my wave 2 price target area, which will lead, in my opinion, to a sell-off in a wave 3 with a price target between $1,400 and $1,500. If we will reach that, it would be the confirmation for me personally that we are seeing this development with 2 wave 4s and 2 wave 5 afterwards, which will finish off this larger wave C correction here. So this is what I'm expecting based on the bigger time frames, on the daily time frame, and so on and so on. If we would pump above $2,000, it would make this scenario more unlikely. If we would pump above $2,150, it would invalidate this scenario and it would lead to a bullish outcome and a pump towards the $3,000, which is right now absolutely less likely due to the construction or the way how we build up here this upwards movement. It was not an impulse, it was rather a corrective upwards movement in my opinion, which can easily be an overshooting wave B. So this is the conclusion I'm right now having, which this construction is leading to. If you are interested in all of the scenarios which can right now play out and all of the invalidation points, feel free to also watch my video from 2-3 days ago. I will link it here in the right upside corner so you can check it out. There I will show you all the different scenarios on the daily time frame, but right now this is absolutely the scenario I'm preferring or I'm watching out for, and this is why I'm in my Ethereum short trade right now. If we're going over to the Bitcoin US dollar chart, you can even see a more bearish setup, or you can see that Bitcoin is even lagging behind in bullishness. We have also 2-1-2 setups towards the downside, but as you can see, we didn't pump back as strong as Ethereum did. So this is why I'm right now, pretty relaxed in this scenario for Bitcoin, because we really saw on the smaller time frames a pretty 5-wave clear impulse towards the downside. We are coming up here really correctively, so this can really lead to a wave 3, 4 and 5 in this yellow wave 3, which would then lead to this whole wave C outcome here towards the downside. As you know, this is what I'm preferring already since 5-6 weeks on this channel. I told you, or I showed you this scenario already when we were back here in the area of 28, 29, 30,000 US dollars. And right now there is a similar option for XRP, or with other words, the XRP chart looked pretty interesting for me, because I want to start here on the weekly time frame. And let's just assume that this was an impulse towards the upside, even if it was a complete horrible one. But I mean, if this would not be an impulse, XRP would die. So this would be the outcome. So let's for now go with the assumption that this has been an impulse towards the upside, and give XRP the chance to rally higher. Then as you can see in blue, I've highlighted we have here an A wave down, a B wave up, and this is of course a C wave down. And the only question now is this C wave already bottomed here, or is it still continuing and will bottom later on? So that is the question we cannot know right now. But if we are looking here at this construction or this structure here, it is, in my opinion, a clear 3-wave move. If I'm measuring here the FIB extension levels, the trend-based FIB extension levels, you can see that this C wave, this possible C wave, pumped exactly towards the 100% extension level, which is the price target for a C wave. And this would mean that this is just a wave 4 of the C wave, and we are coming down once more to a lower low here, below those previous lows. And if we're even zooming in on the 1-day time frame, on the daily time frame, you can also see that we came down here impulsively in a possible wave 1, and right now came up only correctively in a possible wave 2. So this is why I already measured here the price target towards the downside for a possible wave 3 towards the downside, which would be here round about 24.2 US dollar cent. If we're reaching that, I'm personally thinking that this is continuing with a wave 4 and 5 towards the downside as well to finish off this C wave at all. But I will not trade this wave 4 and 5. I just opened a short right before I started this video, because I think this is a 1-2 setup and we will see a wave 3 towards the downside right now. there I will close my short, and yeah, maybe I will try a small long trade when we reached the complete target area of this wave C, yeah, or let's say if we finished off this 5-wave move here on the 1-day time frame. But as long as we did not see that, I will not go long in any way. Yeah, I'm pretty bearish here for XRP. I'm thinking we are seeing another lower low below this 28 US dollar cent low due to this 5-wave impulse down, corrective move towards the upside. So this is what I'm right now thinking. The whole scenario would be invalidated if we go above the previous wave C high, yeah, which is here right at the 58 US dollar cent level. If we would come over that, it would invalidate furthermore downside, yeah, or it would at least invalidate this 1-2 setup here towards the downside. And this is why I'm right now open the short. So as you can see, pretty decent risk reward ratio if we're putting a stop loss above this previous wave C high and a take profit here in this target area. It would be a risk reward of 5.4. So that means actually that you can do 5.4 trades with exactly this risk reward ratio, and you only need to win one of those to be profitable or to be break even. Yeah? So if you would win 2 of those trades, yeah, with this risk reward ratio, you would be absolutely profitable if you win 2 out of 5.4 trades, which are like that. Yeah? So this is why I'm right now trying the short position. I'm personally thinking that the movement towards the downside is highly likely. Yeah? If we would go above the wave C high, I would lose a decent amount of money in comparison to the high reward which I'm getting from the far take profit. If you like this video, if you enjoyed this information, smash up the like button, leave your thoughts down in the comment section, activate the small little bell so you will never miss out in the future again. And I thank you a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for your comments. Thanks a lot for your support. And I hope we will see each other in the next video here on this channel as well. Ciao, ciao.